So guys, we're out at the lake today. We actually fished this lake about a week ago. Caught a couple really nice catfish, had one break off. No wind, calm, and it looks like I had the whole lake to myself. No one else out here today. So I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, right? But hopefully we'll get in some catfish and we can have a fish fry. So without further ado, I will see you on the water. Beautiful morning. So last time I was here, I saw several schools of crappie chasing bait fish, and the catfish were kind of doing the same thing. So I don't have any shad, but I got some bluegill I'm going to cut up and use as bait, so hopefully that'll work. I caught a catfish on the bluegill before, so that'll be the plan this morning. Again, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm the only one out here. Hey guys. I think I got something here. Snagged on something down there. Well, catfish. He was snagged on something, so he felt bigger than he is. He's not too big. We're going to throw him back. Fish on, guys. Feels pretty good. Going in circles here. Jeez. This is a nice fish. Come on, buddy. Where are you at? Show yourself. Boy, you can see my kayak just moving along here. Luckily, I got braid on this time. I got to get this pole out of the way. I don't know what this is yet, guys. It's a big fish. Definitely big. Look at that. This is a big fish. It's got to be. Holy cow. I mean, it's all I can do just to move this fish. Holy smokes. My net's not big enough for this cat. Oh. Holy smokes, guys. Look at this cat. Wow. I gotta try and grab him. Don't break it, dude. Oh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that cat. Big channel. Look at this fish, guys. That thing is massive. Wow. He's pushing at least 8. Fish on, guys. There's another good one. He is pulling me all over the place. Man. These fish are powerful. Reel this in real quick. There. Whew. Man. Old man in the sea right here, guys. Old man in the sea. Old man in the sea. He is pulling me around. Boy, he is not giving an inch. Guys, this fish is just pulling me all over the place. I can't budge it. So strong. So guys, I've got this one on my 10-pound spare rod here. So I got 10-pound test mono on this one. So I don't want to muscle them up. I can't even gain any line on this fish. I can't believe it's just pulling me around the lake. My gosh. I gotta get these other rods in. If I hook something else, I'm in trouble. This has got to be a big fish, guys. Big fish. Wow. I haven't seen him yet. But he's not wearing out. Strong. Well, guys, this has to be my personal best because I've never fought a fish like this. This is old man in the sea stuff right here. Whoa. Holy cow. He is honestly wearing me out, guys. I've never had a fish make my back hurt. I just want to see him. Like he's getting more energy. This fish has to be gigantic. Has to be. Just endless strength. My gosh. Endless strength. I can't believe the power of this thing. Oh, he's running. He's running. He must have saw the kayak. Not happy. I'm trying to get him up so I can at least see him before he probably breaks off. I can't believe how he was just pulling the boat. I mean, look at that, guys. It's all I can do just to hold the pole. This is incredible. The power of this fish. Come on, show yourself. This is definitely going to be the biggest fish I've ever caught, guys. I mean, this is outrageous. I've been fighting this fish. I'm surprised my camera is still on. I mean, this is incredible. I've been fighting this fish for no lie, guys, at least 20 minutes. And I haven't even seen it. I got my drag set really low because when he runs, he'll bust that 10-pound test in a heartbeat. I wish I caught him on one of the braid pulls, but no such luck. He's got to be getting tired. Jeez. Got to be getting tired, dude. There he goes again. He's running. Running again. Holy smokes. Look at this. Look at this catfish, guys. Look at this catfish. I thought it was a gigantic gar. It's a giant catfish. Look at that catfish, guys. Holy smokes. It's got to be 20 pounds. Smokes. On a kayak. Come on, buddy. Don't break off. I think if I can get his head somehow. Look at how big that fish is, guys. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. I gotta try and get him in this net. Oh, he didn't like that. Guys, I am completely worn out. My back hurts. This is amazing. I got to get this fish in. Oh, he didn't like that either. I'm afraid if I try and muscle him, he'll break the line. Here, buddy. One more try. He's in the net. He's in the net. Are you kidding me, guys? Look at this fish. Are you kidding me? Look at this fish. Look at that fish, guys. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Wow. Look at that, how easy that just came out, guys. Well, guys, look at that fish. Holy cow. I wish I had a scale with me. I can hardly hold him. You can see me shaking. I can hardly hold him up. I gotta get my camera out. Oh, I gotta be careful. He about knocked my camera in the water, guys. Well, guys, glad my battery lasted till I got him in the boat, because my battery just died. Luckily, I had a spare battery in my backpack here. That was epic. That was my personal best fish. That had to be 20 pounds plus. I could barely hold him up, but that was incredible. You see, I got slime, catfish slime all over me. So that was pretty crazy. Hopefully we can get some more nice fish. So we'll keep fishing here. Well, guys, decided to call it a day. It's starting to warm up. Didn't catch too many fish, but we caught 2 real big catfish, and that one was extraordinarily big. What a fight. So that was worth the trip. So I kept one of them, and we'll have plenty of catfish nuggets to deep fry. So good day. But it wasn't super fast. We didn't catch a lot of fish, but the ones we caught were real nice. So good day. So I will see you guys on the next adventure.